Hello world! As to entertainment tonight news, Blake Lively and Anna Kendrick's A Simple Favor sequel has a release date. Another Simple Favor is set to premiere at SXSW on March 7, opening the film fest in Austin, Texas. Director and producer Paul Feig confirmed much of the cast, including Anna and Blake, will be there to celebrate as well. I have avoided making sequel to any of my film, but these characters were just too much fun not to revisit, Paul shared in a statement announcing the news. So to be able to have Anna, Blake, Henry, Andrew, Michele, Elizabeth, Alex and myself watch our film with a great SXSW audience is a bucket list event that I will be able to check off March 7. The film will then drop on Prime Video on May 1. Last month, Paul shut down rumors that the movie had been shelved due to Blake's ongoing legal battle with Justin Baldoni, responding to a new deleted tweet alleging that Amazon permanently pulled the movie. This is total BS. Sorry, the movie is finished and coming out soon. Don't believe anything you read on social media. These days, Paul wrote on X. Great day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!